Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with my straight pipe BMW M4. And today we're gonna be doing another POV drive out here in Los Angeles. We're gonna be picking up Chanel and heading to a car meet. So with less being said, let's hop inside the road and tear up the streets. Join us on the road inside the M4. We have a guest today. We have Chanel with us. She's back, and we're gonna be heading to a BMW M meet out in Burbank, California. So we got about a 10-minute drive. Then we're gonna be heading out to Beverly Hills, specifically Rodeo Drive, to see what kind of cars we can come across there. So is there a specific car you want to see today, or?
If I could see a really nice 911, I'd be happy.
Oh my God, the DCT does not get old in this car. Sure, yes, I missed the 6-speed manual, but this is the next best thing. The way this thing shifts is so ideal. Wow, look at the views out here in the valley. I mean, we got mountains for days. Finally off the highway. Oh, we got a nice underpass. Nobody around us. Let's see what it sounds like. So it looks like they're filming a movie, and we have a Supra. I don't know if you can see the guy on the scaffold. They're filming at this hotel or motel. People on the roof. Now we are officially in downtown Burbank. So let's go ahead and pull up to the meet and see what kind of cars we can come across. We got the M4 parked up. Meet's going on right over there. So apparently the lot's full. Too many people. So we had to park down the street.
But it's okay, we need the exercise.
That's true. Already we got a nice 5 Series. I was seeing an E30 across the street, slam. Got a nice Laguna Seca blue M3 comp. Or Miami blue. It says Miami M3 on the plate. So this meet takes place at a burger joint with shakes, fries, sandwiches. We're gonna try something out this time. It's good, y'all. For those of you guys interested, this is Foster's Freeze out in Burbank, California. Definitely recommend. Low-key affordable, and it's good. So check out this old V12 8 Series. There's a new M8 comp right there. So which one you guys taking? This one or the old school? Look at the seats on this G80 M3. The red on the white combination is just so nice. Got a nice black E63S. Shout out Danny. Nice JDM build, yellow on white. Look at these little tiny carbon fiber mirrors. Said you want to see a 911, here you go. Oh, that is clean. Oh, stall. What a car. That is beautiful. So we got a E39 M5 on the shirt. Shout out Mike, QBM Auto Parts. And then we got a E39 M5 right here.
I got some milkshake on it.
Oh, on the M5 though, Chanel, really? So reunited with an E39 M5, and this one is supercharged by ESS. I mean, look at that. This is just awesome. With the Emola red paint and the microfiber tucked off, so if you need to clean it at any moment. You got a sugar rush after that ice cream, but time to get back inside the M4. Now we're gonna head over to Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills and see what kind of more exotic type supercars we can come across. some tunnel action. Let's get some crackles going. F40. So now on the highway, got about a 20-minute drive over to Rodeo Drive. So we are cruising steady through the Hollywood Hills, about to put us right in Beverly Hills. Whoops. So as you can see, we are in Beverly Hills. Some of these homes just gorgeous. All right, nice 911 turbo, M8 red drop top, beautiful. This is a F8 Ferrari Tributo Spider. We've been in Beverly Hills not even a minute. Oh, look, a 488 coupe. We've already seen, what, 3-4 supercars? It's a little bit of you right there, right?
That's the new 458, right?
Yep, 488 turbo. Going your little Sephora runs in your 488. Very nice. Jeez, this car is just loud. Beamer gang, that's 7. Ooh, look at this GTC4 Lusso in white. Oh, check out this Cullinan Mansory kitted. As you guys know, I love the Cullinans.
How much are they?
A smooth 600,000. Mansories are probably closer to $1 million. So here we are back on Rodeo with it. Give them a warm welcome. Got the Tesla with the door up. What the fuck? This is a green light. Typical Rodeo though, I mean. Ooh, somebody's getting it going. I was like, I know I'm not tripping. That was a green light.
Fully not supposed to be.
Nice old school 7 Series E38. We've actually owned 2 of these in our family. I just love these cars. Look at this 4x4 G-Wagon with some lights on the top. So as you can see, we're in the center of Hollywood. About to check out Hollywood Boulevard on a Friday night. Wow, Huracan, McLaren, Rolls, Mustangs. M6 getting it going. Oh, that sounds good. Had some kind of exhaust on it. From a naturally aspirated V8, getting into something like this, I gotta say, man, I am in love with the turbos 2 years into ownership. I mean, the way you can just build that boost, release it, lets off the pops and bangs, that one big whip sound. guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.